Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Calculus problems involving average rates of change are actually super simple if you follow this quick 3-step method to find the correct answer every single time. To approximate the rate at 23 minutes, we must look at the smallest time interval in the table that contains 23, which is between 20 and 26 minutes exactly. Now, we calculate the average rate of change by finding the difference in gasoline consumed divided by the difference in time over the specific interval, which gives 4/6. Finally, we simplify our fraction 4/6 down to 2/3, which matches our target option perfectly. That is how you solve this math problem quickly and get the right answer. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Avoid picking the long interval or bad arithmetic. Always use table data and simplify fractions.